Automatic 10-liter PET bottle beer filler completed. First, we clean and dry all parts of the entire machine. Apply anti-rust coatings, mark them, and then disassemble them. Today is the time for the shipment of the 10L beer filling machine. Then, we mark each part of the entire machine, and then disassemble it. Now you see we are carefully and safely disassembling the online sterilization channel of the plastic cover that has been marked. After disassembling, we wrap it with film to protect the surface of the machine. Then, we pack and fix it with wooden pallets and fix it again after boxing. As it is a domestic buyer, we are waiting for the arrival of the customer's transportation vehicle.